Pickleball is one of the fastest growing sports out there, and choosing the right paddle can make a huge difference in your game. So, which paddle is the best for you in 2025? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned player, in this video, we've rounded up the 6 best pickleball paddles, comparing their features, pros, and cons to help you level up. From control and power to spin and comfort, let's find the perfect paddle for your playing style. So, let's dive in. Number 6. SLK Halo Control. If you're looking for a high-performance pickleball paddle that won't break the bank, the SLK Halo Control is a fantastic choice. Its T700 raw carbon fiber face with raw spin technology delivers unmatched control and spin, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced players. Whether you're aiming for precision or power, this paddle has you covered. The RevCore Power Polymer core adds to its appeal, offering a 16mm thickness for a perfect balance of power and control. The large sweet spot ensures consistent performance, even on off-center hits. Plus, the XL shape provides extra handle length and an expanded sweet spot, ideal for players who want more reach and spin. Now let's talk about the downsides. While it's great for control and spin, it's not the most powerful paddle out there. If you're a hard-hitting player, you might find it slightly lacking in raw power. Also, the longer handle might feel awkward for players with smaller hands or those used to shorter grips. Overall, the SLK Halo Control is a best value pick for its price. It's USAPA approved, so you can use it in tournaments, and it's built to last. Just keep in mind its limitations if you're a power-focused player. Number 5. Paddletek Bantam TKO-C. For those just getting into pickleball and seeking a paddle that offers both forgiveness and power, the Paddletek Bantam TKO-C stands out as a top choice. Designed with beginners in mind, it features a PT700 raw carbon fiber face that delivers impressive spin and power, helping you improve your game without feeling overwhelmed. The optimized sweet spot with rectangular corners ensures consistent performance, even if your shots aren't perfectly centered. The polymer honeycomb core and high-grade glass epoxy construction make this paddle durable and responsive, while the ergonomic handle and ultra-cushion grip provide comfort during long matches. The 14.3mm core thickness is perfect for players who want a balance of power and control, making it ideal for beginners still refining their technique. Now let's talk about the downsides. While it's great for beginners, more advanced players might find it lacks the precision and finesse needed for competitive play. The 5.75-inch handle might also feel a bit short for players with larger hands, limiting maneuverability. Overall, the Paddletek Bantam TKO-C is a best for beginners pick. It's durable, comfortable, and designed to help you develop your skills. Just keep in mind its limitations if you're aiming for advanced level play. Number 4. SLK Omega Hybrid Air. If you're looking for a lightweight paddle that doesn't compromise on performance, the SLK Omega Hybrid Air is the one. Weighing in at just 7.5 ounces, it's designed for players who value speed and maneuverability. The 12K Ultraweave carbon fiber face delivers powerful shots with exceptional control, making it perfect for fast-paced rallies. One of its standout features is the ProSpin Plus texture, which provides unmatched spin consistency. Whether you're adding top spin or slicing, this paddle gives you the edge. The Rev Control polymer honeycomb core ensures a soft touch and consistent speed, while the high-density foam walls expand the sweet spot and reduce vibrations for a stable feel. Now let's talk about the downsides. While it's great for speed and control, it's not the most powerful paddle out there. If you're a hard-hitting player, you might find it lacks the raw power you need. Also, the open throat design, while improving swing speed, might feel unusual for players used to traditional paddles. Overall, the SLK Omega Hybrid Air is a best lightweight paddle pick. It's perfect for players who want quick reactions, spin control, and a comfortable feel. Just keep in mind its limitations if you are a power-focused player. Number 3. 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. A standout option for those seeking the perfect blend of power and control. The 6-0 Double Black Diamond control excels in balanced play. Designed for players who want versatility, this paddle offers precision and realistic power in one sleek package. With an average weight of 8.1 ounces and a 16.3-inch length, it gives you the extra reach to handle tricky shots while maintaining excellent maneuverability. One of its standout features is the dual core options, 14mm for more power or 16mm for enhanced control and ball dwell time. The Japanese Toray 700 raw carbon surface delivers incredible spin potential, while the multi-stage molding process ensures durability and energy return. Plus, the 3D carbon forged handle provides a comfortable grip, available in 2 sizes for a personalized fit. Now, let's talk about the downsides. While it's great for balanced play, it's not the most powerful paddle out there. If you're a hard-hitting player, you might find it lacks the raw power you need. Also, the 5.5-inch handle might feel short for players with larger hands. Overall, the 6-0 Double Black Diamond control is a best for balanced play pick. Whether you're at the net or the baseline, this paddle delivers predictable performance and spin control. Number 2. Joola Perseus Mod Ta 15 Pro. If you're looking for a premium pickleball paddle that combines power, control, and cutting-edge technology, the Joola Perseus Mod Ta 15 Pro is a game changer. As the official paddle of World Hash-1 player Ben Johns, this paddle is designed to elevate your game to the next level. Its Gen 3 propulsion core delivers explosive power on drives while maintaining the dwell time needed for spin and control. The charged carbon surface adds strength and provides a crisp, responsive feel, giving you better energy return and feedback on every shot. Plus, the NFC chip unlocks exclusive content and a 12-month warranty through the Joola Connect app, making it a tech-savvy choice for serious players. And yes, it's USAPA approved, so you can use it in tournaments. Now let's talk about the downsides. While it's packed with premium features, the price tag might be a bit steep for casual players. Also, the power-focused design might feel overwhelming for beginners who are still developing their control. Overall, the Joola Perseus Mod Ta 15 Pro is a best premium pick. It's perfect for advanced players who want explosive power, spin control, and tournament-ready performance. Just keep in mind it's not the most beginner-friendly option out there. Number 1. CRBN X Series 3X. For those looking for best overall pickleball paddle that excels in every aspect, the CRBN X Series 3X is the perfect choice. Designed for players of all skill levels who want power, control, and spin in one package. The 14mm thick carbon fiber core delivers a massive sweet spot, eliminating vibrations and improving shot consistency. One of its standout features is the unibody design, which makes the paddle more responsive and durable compared to traditional models. The carbon fiber construction not only provides insane spin potential, but also ensures a perfect balance of power and control. Plus, it comes with a neoprene cover to keep your paddle protected and looking like new. Now let's talk about the downsides. While it's incredibly versatile, the price point might be a bit high for casual players. Also, the 14mm thickness, while great for control, might feel a bit soft for players who prefer a firmer, more powerful hit. Overall, the CRBN X Series 3X is a top-tier choice for anyone serious about pickleball. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, this paddle offers tournament-ready performance and long-lasting durability. Just keep in mind it's an investment, but one that's worth every penny. That's it for this guide, folks. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you new to pickleball, or are you a seasoned pro looking for a top-tier paddle? Let us know in the comments below. If you found our content helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Stay safe and have a fantastic day on the court.